some photos. Oh, before we go, let me quickly show you through the gear we're going to be using. So today I'm going to be using the Sony A7III as my main camera, and I'm going to be putting this inside the AQUATECH housing, which looks like this. And then also I'm going to have a GoPro on top of my mask so I can show you guys like what I'm seeing through my camera. And yeah, that's going to be my setup for today. So yeah, let's get going to the beach. Conditions look really good today. I think mainly I'm heading out to try to find some spotted eagle rays and hammerhead sharks if we're lucky, but we'll see what we can find, and I'll try to take as many photos as possible. There's actually a turtle over there right now, just there, so. So yeah, as you can see, the water was super clear, but it was really cold still. And I think I just started off here taking a couple test shots just to see the color of the photos. Right now it's turtle season around the island, so there is so many sea turtles in the shallows, and most of them are waiting to nest or they're mating. This one which I'm taking a photo of right now is a adult female green turtle, and you can tell the sex of the turtle by the length of its tail. This one has a short tail, so it's a female. If it had a long tail, it would be a male. All my photos I take in RAW and I edit them in Lightroom. For this video I didn't have time to edit all of the photos individually, so I kind of just attached a lot to most of them. Some of them I did individual like editing, and those probably look a lot better, but I didn't have time to do all of them for this one. I'm sorry about that. You can probably see in the screen on the top left there's like another turtle there, and soon there's going to be a couple more in the frame. I think even just on this day I saw like 10-15 of them throughout the whole snorkeling trip. So here I came across a pair of mating turtles as well as a individual. So I tried to video and take photos at the same time, as it's pretty rare to see like this many in one frame. Also, I try not to dive down to follow them, because if I dive down, they can scare pretty easily. So I'm trying to stay as quiet as I can at the surface. So after the turtles, I headed to a nearby shipwreck. There's a whole bunch of shipwrecks around this area as it was pretty involved in the World War. So you're gonna see a lot of like this kind of wreck around this area. Ah, summer. Ah, it's so cold. And yeah, I was swimming in the shallows by the reef, and I finally came across one of the things I was looking for, which is a spotted eagle ray. And they can scare really easily, so I was really scared at the beginning, but this one seemed to be pretty chill with me being around, so I followed her around for around like 15 minutes maybe, like this from distance, and got plenty of shots and videos. I'm diving down with the GoPro now. I think I filmed this at 4K 60 frames, and I actually managed to get really close to it, which was really nice. And I'm just gonna roll on the clips from the GoPro in this bit, and I slowed it down to 24 frames I think in Resolve before editing it, and it looks like this. So after about an hour and a half, I was pretty tired and super cold, so started heading back to shore. And I think I came across another pair of mating turtles. So I snapped a couple of shots and went back. Hey, so thank you for watching all the way through, and I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed editing and taking this one, so let me know what you guys thought in the comments below, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Also, I post a lot of my photos on my Instagram, especially the underwater ones, so please check me out there if you're interested. And yeah, as always, I will see you in the next video.